Hey everyone, Marianne Gillespie here. As a business coach, I'm always being asked the question, and I'm going to answer it today. What do I think about work-life balance? And maybe my opinion's not going to be that popular with people, but I'm going to be very honest about it. I figure that, you know what? That's who I am, very upfront about things. So work-life balance is really good for people who are looking to just have that, they're like, hey, I've reached where I want to reach, and I just want that, really good balance in my work life, my personal life, all of the above. And that's a beautiful place. But if you are one of those people who's like, I want to be top of my game fitness-wise, or I want to be top of my game business-wise, and I want to literally have the best business and, wipe out the competition or really rise to the top of it, or even in your personal life, if you want to have a wickedly awesome relationship and let's say you haven't had one for a long time, then that's going to mean that you have to invest more time into that area. So I'm not sure how you can actually achieve balance if you want to be top of your game in one of those areas. You're going to have imbalance. That's normal. So if you, for example, 4 years ago, I couldn't swim, I couldn't bike, and now I qualified for World Championship in Finland in Ironmans. And, that did require for 3 to 4 years, I put a lot of work into the Ironman and my physical fitness and wellness. So did the balance happen? No, it would be impossible because I would have to rise my other areas to match that if I want to balance everything. So now I can take a little bit of a step back because my fitness level is at a very high level. So now I can put more effort into my work, or I can actually have a good balance of all of them. But I had to earn my way there. Now, if I didn't want to achieve, Finland or world qualifying or take my fitness level to where it is now, then I could have easily have had that balance in all of those areas. But the competitive part of me knew that I wanted to go on this journey, and I was committed to doing it. So I think, to sum it up, work-life balance is really a decision, but for those of us who are very, very much about, pushing ourselves out of our limits, getting to the next level, I think you're going to find that when you do stuff like that, whatever the area is, it will require some imbalance. And there's nothing wrong with that. As long as it doesn't get to the extreme levels and other areas don't suffer, then what you're going to see is the area that you want to have excellence in is going to require imbalance because you're going to have to put more effort into that. So I don't think there's anything wrong with work-life balance, but I don't think it's for top achievers who want to grow in a certain area. And there's nothing wrong with that because it's usually just temporary. It's not a permanent thing unless you're a professional athlete or professional in some other area. But I think that work-life balance is great. It's really good. But if those of you who are overachievers, don't be scared to put a little bit more effort into the area that you want to excel in, because that is ultimately what's going to get you out of your comfort zone and to a new ceiling of achievement.